Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how to make these Mother's Day cake toppers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make one of the designs that I have. There are three different designs where there are actually two different designs, and then there's also a cupcake topper if you would like to make that one. So let's jump right in. First, what you want to do is click the upload button, click upload image, browse, and then find the SVG file on your computer. Obviously, if you're not subscribed to my free resource library, please go over to my website, insideoutline.com, and sign up to the free resource library so that you can get this SVG file and many more for free. So what you want to do next is click open. And then here again, you can see the two different cake topper designs. And then this one right here, you can use as a cupcake topper, and you can also use it as a cake topper if you want to. But this design over on the left is the one that I will be showing you how to make in today's video. So next you will click the upload button, click on that design, and then click insert images. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger on my screen. And then I'm going to ungroup the design. And then I'm going to select the other two designs, group those together, and then hide them. So this one, I'll just hide it. So for this one, I want it to be about 8 inches wide. You can make it however big or small that you like. And what I want to do next is to click my letters and then click the attach button so that they can cut the way that they are on the screen. And then I think that's it. Then I'll just click the make it button. So as you can see, you have two different mats that you'll be cutting on. For this tutorial, I will be using a rose gold for my background, and then for my letters, I will be using black. So you can see both screens or both mats, and then I'll just click the continue button. And again, because I am using so I'll just click my Cricut machine. I have two different machines. I connect to my friend's Cricut machine sometimes, so that's why I have two machines. But as I was mentioning before, because I will be using a rose gold glitter cardstock as the background color, I'll just choose that option. And then we will head over so that you can see the materials that I'll be using for this video, and then we'll start cutting out the design. So these are the two cardstocks that I will be using to make the Mother's Day cake topper. I have this rose gold glitter cardstock. I got it from Michael's. I probably got it cheaper than this right here because they always have sales on their cardstock. So it comes as a single sheet, but I also have some black cardstock. I buy this from Michael's. It's come in a pack, about 50 sheets in a pack. So these are the two cardstocks that I'll be using. And then I have my wooden sticks or popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them. And here you can see the other cake topper that I made. And obviously you can mix and match your colors however you like. So I will first cut out my letters or my words for my card or for my cake topper. And I'm gonna put this in the bottom right corner because this part of my mat is the stickiest. And then I will load it into my Cricut machine and cut out the design. So my letters have been cut out into my cardstock. Okay. So I'm gonna use this gold to make sure I keep up as I'm pulling off these pieces. And I'll make sure, I'll take my apostrophe off because I want to make sure to keep that. Just sit it there. And then I will bend my mat and pull off my other pieces. And as you can see, I do have some hair on my mat. These mats catch everything. Okay, then I'll take my scraper and scrape these pieces off. Okay, so just sit these pieces to the side now. Make sure I keep up with that apostrophe, my H, my other flower. Okay, so now I will put my rose gold cardstock down, and I want to make sure, yeah, that I don't cut out this piece. And make sure that you put your Cricut on the setting for the glitter cardstock so that there will be more pressure applied when cutting this cardstock. Okay, so now I will load this into my Cricut machine. Okay, my background has been cut out. And if you want to, you can do the reverse or the opposite, where you do your letters in rose gold and this in black. And because that was my initial intention, for this other one, for this other cake topper, I use Elmer's glue. But because I need my letters to stick to this rose gold cardstock, I will be using my glue gun for this. So this will be a little bit more tedious than if you just use regular cardstock on top of cardstock. But let's jump right into that process. So first I'm going to put my flowers down. Okay. And you have to move a little fast with your glue gun because it dries quickly. So then I'm going to take my apostrophe and I'm going to use my little tweezers to hold that while I put some glue on it. Okay. And put that down. Okay. Okay, so this is the final Mother's Day cake topper. Again, I'm gonna go in and clean off the excess glue from the hot glue gun. But this is what the finished design looks like. I did notice that I didn't weed like the inside of those peas. It doesn't look bad like this, and you can't really tell unless you get really close up on it. But that is the finished design for this Mother's Day cake topper. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.